Hi everybody, welcome back to Music Wednesday. Today I have for us something a little different that we haven't done in a little while, is a relaxation. And I hope that you're able to find a space where you can comfortably lean back on a surface, whether that's sitting, standing, or even laying down if you're in a place to do this or you're safe to do this. And take a moment for yourself. I like to say when I do relaxations that if you find that you're getting overwhelmed during the relaxation or it's very hard to sit in one space for a long time, it's okay to stretch, walk, get water, right? This is all a practice, and relaxation itself takes practice until we feel comfortable with it. Relaxation, mindfulness, these things take time and are skills that we can develop and grow in. And so I hope that today can be a part of your practice or a part of your mindfulness. And hopefully we don't have too many kitty noises going on. So I hope that you enjoy the relaxation for today. Today I'll be taking us through a relaxation that describes imagery including rain, water, and a rainy day. Let us begin by finding a position that's comfortable for you. You might try sitting cross-legged or in a chair, making sure that your back is straight and supported, but not tense. Notice anything that might be uncomfortable and just notice. Become aware of any tension that you may be carrying in your body. And do your best to release this tension on every exhale. Bring your attention to your breath, maybe placing one hand on your chest and the other on your stomach. And you might feel your stomach and chest rise and fall with each breath. For the next few breaths, breathe deeply into your stomach, feeling it rise and fall, keeping your chest as stable as you can. One more breath into the stomach. And exhale, removing your hands from your chest and stomach to place them at your side. And let your breath fall back into its natural pace. Remember that this is your time. And this is the time where you can let your worries and stress pause as you give this gift of relaxation to yourself. Now begin to focus on the sound of the rain. Hear the natural pace of the rain as it changes in speed and weight. Think of the rain falling all over your body, turning you into water. Our bodies are made of water, and with it we share this commonality. The sound of the sacred rain soothes and calms you. Let the rain cool, nourish, and cleanse you. Feeling this deep sense of gratitude towards the water and to the rain. As we continue this visualization, if at any point your mind drifts, gently guide yourself back to my voice, back to the rain, and back to the piano. Allow your mind to focus the path of a raindrop, beginning in a rain cloud where this rain forms. Imagine the droplet as it falls and follow the rain effortlessly through the sky. It purifies the air around it, cleansing the atmosphere and getting ready to nourish the earth below. Follow the raindrop as it falls, landing in a green forest. It begins to seep into the lush forest ground, hydrating the soil, preparing for new life. Parts of this raindrop enter the roots of a tree, traveling up the trunk into the branches, bringing life to the tree, evaporating through the leaves and becoming the oxygen that fills your lungs. Imagine this oxygen entering through your nose on your next inhale and feel the coolness of the air. This rain and this air cleansing and nourishing your body just as it does in the atmosphere and the trees. Allow the air to calm and soothe you. As you exhale, imagine giving back to the trees and plants. Inhaling again, taking in this gift of oxygen. Exhaling and giving thanks. As you inhale, you say the following to yourself: I see myself as still as water. And on the exhale, you say, I reflect these things as they are. I see myself as still as water. I reflect things as they are. I see myself as still as water. I reflect things as they are. I see myself as still as water. I reflect things as they are. Continue to breathe naturally here, imagining yourself as water or in water, surrounded by this water. Breathing in and out. Remind yourself that you are a part of nature, a part of this earth. Beautiful as you are, know that you deserve everything the universe has to offer. Just like every raindrop, you have a purpose. Fill your lungs with this purpose, exhaling this gratitude. As we gently begin to bring ourselves out of this relaxation, begin by wiggling your fingers and toes, leaving your eyes closed. Reach your arms up, stretching your whole body. And with your last exhale, open your eyes as you return to your day. Thanks everybody so much for taking your time to practice your mindfulness, practice your relaxation today. Whether it's something that you're integrating into every week, every month, and you're practicing and building the skills, or if it's something new and you wanted to try something different for yourself, thank you for taking that time for yourself today. And I hope that you'll join us at one of our other events, whether it's through the Wellness Committee, which there is a songwriting interactive, not a course necessarily, but experience and just introduction to songwriting that's going on through the current challenge for the Wellness Committee. And you're welcome to come on to that and see what that's all about. And then we also have every Wednesday in person in the Pavilion Meditation Room between 3 and 4 p.m. I run an in-person relaxation, and if you only have a couple of minutes, that's all you need, right? You're welcome to stay for as long as you'd like. And if you gotta go because you gotta run, it's understandable. Definitely stop in for a couple of minutes and either sit back and just listen to the relaxations that are happening, or, take a risk and step into something unfamiliar with this. If I don't see you at either of those, then I will see you here again next time.